The Torin Garage Jack is perfect for anyone who uses a jack regularly. Before using your jack for the very first time, it will need to have the air purged from the hydraulic system for proper lift operation. Without any weight on the jack, first turn the lowering valve counterclockwise one full turn to the open position. Then rapidly pump the handle 6 to 8 full strokes to push air through the system. Next, securely close the lowering valve by turning it clockwise until firmly tight. Raise the jack to full extension and continue to pump 6 to 8 times. Next, lower the jack to its lowest resting position and turn the lowering valve counterclockwise one full turn to the open position. Lower the handle into the down position to expose the oil fill plug. Locate the oil fill plug and with a flat blade screwdriver, then slightly push the oil fill plug to the side to purge trapped air from system. Next, securely close the lowering valve by turning it clockwise until firmly tight. Once you have completed the air purge procedure, check for proper pump and lift action before use. The jack is now ready for operation.